Hi guys, it's Dee from Stair Designs. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today we are starting the new series. I don't know how long it's going to last, but it is going to be called, Hey, I Want to Try That. And what it is one day I was going through Pinterest and YouTube and I was seeing all these really cool cards and crafts that people were making. And I was like, hey, I want to try that. And then the next one, I'm like, oh, hey, I want to try that. So I would pin it or I would save it or whatever. So that's what this series is going to be called. I want to try that, or hey, I want to try that. Whatever. I don't know. We'll figure that out as we go. But anyway, I saw this card. It's called a diamond fold, I believe. And I've seen it last year and I've seen it the year before. And I believe it came from a magazine article that somebody had posted years ago. So I've seen it. And it came back up on my feed the other day. So I was like, you know what? I want to start this series out with that. So anyway, I made one. I'm not too thrilled with it right now, to be honest with you. But the fold was what I was mostly interested in. Not so much the decorations. I'm running out of my Christmas paper. Because I've been making so many cards. And so I have to get new stuff. But you can do this with anything. You do this with flowers, springtime, Valentine's Day, whatever. Which I might try it for a Valentine's card too. But it's pretty cool. It stands up on its own. It's like this step up. It's pretty cool. And then you put your sentiment on the back. Isn't that cool? So it's super, super, super easy. I was surprised how easy it was. The hardest part was trying to figure out the design. Other than that, the fold and all that's easy. So we're going to get into it. We're going to try one. And we'll put that aside. We're going to start out with whatever your base is. It's up to you, however you want to do it. It is 11 by 6. And we're going to score it. I've already cut this, pre-cut this. And we're going to score at, let me get you guys in frame. 3. 1, 2, 3. 6. 7.5. No, I did not remember this. I have it written down on the side here. 9 and 10. Oopsies. Of course, it wouldn't be a video, Sarah Design video, without me messing something up, right? Stick that away. Okay. We are going to, I'm going to use this to crease it with just because I like this one to crease with. You're going to take your bigger piece, the biggest fold, which was the 3-inch. You're going to fold it backwards. You're going to fold the next one forwards. You're going to do back and forth accordion style. And the final one's going forward. So it's going to look like this. It's like M with an extra, I don't know, M N. I don't know. That's what it's going to look like. This is going to be our base, guys. Sits up like that. That's it. Okay. Easy enough. Now, next one we're going to do is we need 2 pieces of white cardstock. I'm just using regular 65-pound cardstock. Both of these 2 pieces are cut already at 2 3/4 by 5 3/4. Everything we're doing from here on in is going to be mostly 5 3/4, the things. So this would go here, and then this one would go in the back here. See? All right, so we're going to glue them in real quick. Mommy, where I put that? It's my little pin. My little pin. All right, this is about 1/8 of an inch smaller, is it? It's a little bit smaller, see? You want a border. We're going to do this one on the back. This one will be where you put your sentiment. Stamp your sentiment, write your little message. Whatever you want to do, you do that here. Again, you want to have a little border. Use what you have, guys. It doesn't have to be what I have. This stuff, this cardstock I'm using is from Michaels. Okay. Next thing we want to do for the steps. So we're going to call this step 1. The little one, step 1. Step 2. Step 3. Okay, for step 1, we need a decorative something. And it has to be 1 1/4 by 5 3/4. So I have this one from a paper pack we're going to put there. I think I cut that a little too small, but that's okay. I won't tell if you won't tell. The next step, this one here, is going to be through... Did I do that wrong? This was 3/4. I'm sorry, guys. This is 3/4 by 5 1/4. This one's going to be 1 1/4 by 5 3/4. I was like, what? So now I have this piece here that I liked. But I also have this one here that I kind of like. And I'm thinking we're going to do the fa la la la, even though it's a little bit smaller. This is from, you know when you get your paper pads and they have those, I'll show you in a second. Let me get this glue on here. My little sick cat is roaming around. She's lost and confused here. Come on, get down. You need to get down. Okay. You know, in the paper pads, this is from Michaels, where you have, they give you the little cutout things that you have to cut out. And they sometimes give you the stripes, like these. That's all these pieces were those pieces like that. So you can cut them out. I should have done it with this paper pad. Alright, I didn't. That's the only paper pad I have left. The rest is all scraps. Okay. Now we have this much done so far. Easy peasy. This one we'll save for another time. Alright, next thing you need is... I already stuck this on, I apologize. But you're going to need 3 pieces. They're going to be squared up. So this first one's going to be 4 1/8 square. Next one's going to be 3 5/8 square. And then the final one's going to be 3 1/8 square. So I've already done that. I did it with the same background paper, with the exception of this one. I use that just because I didn't have another piece of this. All right, so that's that. And then you're just going to stick your embellishments on. So do whatever you choose. You can even put another piece here that's squared off, about 1/8 of an inch smaller. I'm choosing to do it this way. So what you want to do for these is, see my corner? You're going to do corner to corner. You don't want this in the fold, but you want it corner to corner when you glue it down. So you can dimension it up, put some foam tape on it, but I'm choosing not to. So just remember, you're only putting glue on the bottom half. I can't wait till the end of the holiday season so I can go to Michael's and get my paper on sale. Get some Christmas. They usually have like 50-75% off of their holiday stuff, their leftover stock. So that's when I get all my stash. All right, the next one is 3 5/8 square. And then I just stuck this, again, was another one of those from the paper pad, the cutouts. And I just cut that out and stuck it on there. Now that's going to go over the fa la la, but trick for that You want to make it even, the line's even with that line, but don't go over the crease. So, and remember, you only have this little section to glue. You don't want glue on the whole thing. You only want glue there. So, be mindful of that. Hopefully I can do all this right. That's why I like to use liquid glue, because you have a little bit of time to move it around. Make sure that folds. That's that. Next, this one's going to be the same, similar. You want to line it up, line it and line it. And you don't want the point to overhang here. So again, remember, you only have that much room. There we go. And guys, that's the card. That's how you make it. Super, super easy. The hardest part is figuring out how to design it, which I'm not too thrilled with my designs right now. But, like I said, get it in there. Like I said, my main purpose was that I wanted to try the step up. The diamond step up. You can do any shape you want. You don't have to do diamond. But anyway, here's how it sits. And then from the back. So you could write what it looks like, an envelope, doesn't it? Here it is from the side. And I didn't do dimensions because in case I want to put it in the mail. But you can pop these up. They would look nice. That's it, guys. That's super, super easy, right? If I think about it, I'll put the dimensions in the description box for you all. But you can change this to any size you want. Just do it accordingly. And that's it, guys. That's my video for today. So, this wasn't a super duper exciting video, I know, I apologize, but this is the start of our series. Anyway, I don't know what Saturday's video is going to be yet, guys. I'm hoping to do a haul video, but I don't have anything to haul right now, so I'd have to go to the store. And it's holiday season, it's Christmas time, so most of my money's going towards shopping. Not shopping for myself, but anyway, that's the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. And I hope you try it out. If you try it out, send me a picture. I'd like to see it. Please make sure you like and subscribe if you're not already. And make sure you leave a nice comment. No negative comments because it will be deleted. There's enough negativity in this world. Trust me. Lately, I've been seeing a lot of it. And it's not. People aren't nice sometimes. So, anyway, just don't bother wasting your time or my time. But, meanwhile, I'll catch you in the next video. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.